Okay, the next thing is, whenever you are asking something to ChatGPT, use conversational tone. Tone is very important for your tone is very important, so that people, your audience or people can understand your personality and your behavior and all those things, your brand personality, all these things. So tone is very important. What kind of tone you want for writing any article, any ad copy, any blog post, any email copy, so anything, any social media post. So what kind of tone if you want to use, that is very important. So what I did is I shared a Excel sheet. There I think 200 plus tone I have shared. So you should use not all the tones in a single prompt, but based on your subject, based on your topic, based on your objective, based on your audience, you can use those tones. So I have shared that Excel sheet inside this PPT only. So there you will find more than 200 plus tone. Okay, so in this video we will see that whenever you will ask something to ChatGPT, use conversational tone. How it is? See, explain the cloud computing. So you are asking ChatGPT a general question, general information, that is, you explain cloud computing. Okay, so instead of that, what you can do, you can create, say, in a conversational tone, explain what cloud computing is and how it benefits small businesses. So you are providing the tone. Basically, your subject is very clear that it is cloud computing, and the what the output you want. The output you want is the explain the what cloud computing is and the benefit for small businesses. So that is your objective, and your subject is cloud computing. But which tone you want? It might be exciting tone, it might be soft tone, it might be promotional tone, it might be angry tone, sad tone. What kind of tone you want to use? So it should be a conversational tone. So for this particular example, it should be a conversational tone. So I am asking ChatGPT, this is my subject, this is my object, this is the topic I want to the information about, and my object is for small businesses. Okay, to benefit so that it can benefit to small businesses. And the tone, you will provide the content, but tone should be conversational tone. So it is very important. So your keyword is conversational tone. So for the next example, suppose you are asking ChatGPT, describe a hobby. So you are asking ChatGPT, describe a hobby, it will provide a generic answer. Okay, for the advanced level prompt, it is chat about the benefits of gardening as a hobby. So you are telling chat type, your tone is your conversational tone is chat about the benefits of gardening as a hobby, including tips for beginners. Okay, so here actually the tone it is not mentioned very clearly, little tricky, but the thing is chat about the benefits of gardening as a hobby, include tips for beginners. Okay, so here clearly it is not mentioned that which tone I should use for A, but here it is mentioned that for beginners purpose and for beginner purpose, so it will be little soft. Clearly I did not mention that it should be soft or it should be informative. I did not mention, but okay, so beginner purpose, it will take automatically that beginner purpose. So how the tone should be. Okay, then the example number 3 is write a travel guide. So write a travel guide, it's very ordinary and common question, very broad question you are asking to ChatGPT. Instead of that, what you can do is you can tell create a friendly travel guide. So this might be the tone, that friendly, it should be friendly tone, friendly approach. So create a friendly travel guide for solo traveling visiting Tokyo, including must-see attraction and safety tips. So all the things are staying same. Also, your subject is clear that on travel trip you want, that is the subject is very clear. What is your object, what you want to, what is your expectation? Your expectation is that your expectation is for the solo traveler, it should be personalized for the solo travelers and include more additional information like must see attraction and safety tips. Okay, so you are asking but here your main keyword is write a friendly travel guide, create a friendly travel guide. So that is your uh, that is your keyword, main focused keyword. So that tone you are providing, it should be friendly guide, not any other way. It should be friendly guide. So you are asking ChatGPT that create a friendly travel guide for solo travelers visiting Tokyo. You said enough information you have provided. Now you will get the better response. Okay, let's check it practically. Explain cloud computing. So it will provide me a broad answer. Cloud computing is a way to use technology to access and manage computing resources over the internet instead of running application and sorting data on your personal computer or local. Okay, it will provide me a lot of detailed information. It's little bit overwhelming for me. So what is the detailed information it will provide about cloud computing? So my intention is not to know everything about cloud computing. If you want to know some suggestion, if you want to know some if you want to get some ideas, in that case you can do it, but for time being I don't want it. So now I'm saying the conversational tone I'm using and provide me the cloud computing benefits and how it will help to the businesses, small businesses or medium businesses or any large businesses also. So in a conversational tone, explain what cloud computing is and how it benefited to small businesses. Okay, let's check. So it will be more personalized, it will be more professional, it will be more specific answer you will get from ChatGPT. So how, sure, imagine cloud computing as a way to use the internet to access and manage your computer's resources like servers, storage and software without having to own or maintain the actual hardware. It's like renting a space where you can store all your stuff, can use various tools rather than having to buy and set up everything yourself. Okay, so it's quite informative. So now you are saying for most small businesses cloud computing offers some great benefits. So as you told, that's for how it will help to the small businesses. So here it is providing the benefits: cost saving, scalability, accessibility, automatic updates, disaster recovery, and all the detailed information it has provided. Okay, so I think you got the idea how it works and how to write an effective prompt. So now we will go to third example, write a travel guide. So now you are asking write a travel guide, it will provide a generic answer. Okay, let's check. Sure, I would happy to help. Okay, sure, I would happy to help with the travel guide. To make it more tailored, could you let me know your destination or any specific place you are interested in? If you don't have a particular location in mind, I can create a general travel guide with tips and recommendation. If you type yes, so it will provide a general traffic guide. Okay, but I don't want it, I want a specific something. So you can replace your content. In the place of Tokyo, it might be Paris, it might be any other place. Instead of solo travelers, it might be family travelers. Okay, for might be it might the friendly travel guide, you can replace anything based on your requirement. So let me see how it is tailored, it is personalized. Let me check. Okay, so solo travelers guide to Tokyo, you can replace your contents, you will get your response according to your niche. So must see attraction: Sensoji Temple, Shibuya Crossing, Tokyo Tower, Shinjuku Goen National Garden, Akihabara, Harajuku. So all the places you must visit. These are the attraction Food recommendation: ramen, sushi, okonomiyaki. I don't know what kind of food. Sample this about Japanese packages. Okay, anyways. So then the safety tips it's providing. So it's a friendly guide. It is providing what you wanted to know. You wanted to know the must see attraction and safety tips. Here also food recommendation given. Additionally, safety tips: keep your belongings secure, learn basic Japanese phrases, respect local customs, use public transportation, emergency number, stay hydrated and sun safe, navigation apps, all the detailed information, security tips you need to follow. So now I think you have got the pretty tailored or pretty what I say personalized tailor information from ChatGPT based on your requirement, based on your objective, based on your target audience, based on your desired goal. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you that how you can write an effective prompt. Again, I would say practice. There is no other way, there is no other word I need to say. You need to practice. You need to create your example, okay, based on your industry, based on your subject, based on your desired outcome. You need to create your example. You can take the inspiration from these examples. You can simply copy and paste it, and then you can replace your content. That is also fine, but you need to practice. Create at least 5 to 10 examples based on your industry, your niche, and practice it, and I'm sure you will find out your best version, best prompt version. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.